Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw the origin from Fortnite. Okay, let's go into the top here. The origin's got flame energy coming out of his head, so I'm going to start a little bit lower for his head. He's got a bald head, so I'm going to start about here, do a curve around to here. So start there, do this bald head around, nice curve and down. Right, okay. Pop a couple of ears in. So we're just going to do little curves around here and on the other side as well, little curve around there. Nice, okay. Let's do his jaw and his chin. So I think I'm going to get down to about here. He's got quite a strong jawline, so I'm going to do a straight line there. Then on this side, we can do strong jaw down and join it up there. Let's do the same on the other side. Down and around like so. Okay. For his neck area, he's got like a big collar on, so it's going to do two lines either side of the neck, like that. Then just going to go do a curve around there and a curve around there. Then it kind of goes in a little bit like this, and we can just join that up. Nice, okay. Let's look at his shoulder areas. Just before the main part of his shoulder, he's got two sort of straps on either side by the neck area. So let's do two rectangular parts there. So they come out a little bit. So I think let's do a line here and a line on this side, like that. Then they kind of taper in. So I'm going to do a line down and a line down, join it up, and then a line down, a line down. Let's join that up, like that. All right. Let's do his shoulder areas. So he's got a short sleeve outfit on. So I'm going to do his shoulder area down to about here. So I'm going to do a curve for his shoulder and down. Same here. Curve for his shoulder and down. Then let's look where his torso area is. So I think his torso is probably going to be about here. So I'm going to do a dot there and a dot there to show that. Let's just do a line up to here and a line up to here. So that's going to go to his underarm. So about, let's have a look, about there. Join that up, and then about here. Join that up. Great. All right. Let's just do the rest of his arms. So for the short sleeve top, do a line down here, a line down here. Just join it up with a bit of a curve. Sort of show it's like a t-shirt, I suppose. Okay, next of all, let's get the rest of his torso and legs done. So he's got sort of two pocket areas here that come out. So I'm just going to do a little area out, just curve around and around. Then for his trousers, he's got sort of a flat area here. Let's pop that in. And then we can do, he's got like long trousers on, so I can just maybe go down to about, let's see, about here. So I can just draw from this area here down to there, and then probably join that up like that, and from this point here just down to there. Just flare it out a little bit at the end. Let's do the same here. So leg out to there, around, and then straight down from here like that. Nice one. Okay. Then it's two lines for the legs in there. And 1, 2, 1, 2. Then he's got big boots on, so I'm going to draw another line here, another line here. And the boots are pretty chunky, so they sort of taper out. So I'm going to go out to about here, taper down. And this one to about there. That's it. Okay, they go around, so I'm going to just draw an arc around here and an arc around here. Then I'm just going to move around to the toe point down, go around and up with the sole, and then around here as well. So curve around up to the end point, come around up and around back of the shoe there. Let's just put another line in like this and just do the same here. Right, okay, big chunky boots, that's great. Let's get these arms in. So for the rest of his arm area, we can kind of going to show his energy coming off of his hands. So I'm going to just draw 2 lines like this first of all, either side. That goes to his elbow area. Then what we'll do, we'll just flare it out and around, and forearm here, just around like this. Same here, this will be his elbow area, and around forearm there. Then we've got a lot of area to play with here, where the energy can sort of pop up. So he's got big gloves on. So what we can do is draw like a rectangular area with a bit of a curve on, show like the edge of his glove. Then we can put the rest of the glove in. So I think if I do a line here, then I'm going to do his thumb. So I'm going to go around, and he's got his hands clenched, so his thumb's going to be like that. Same on this side. Just do a line, go around, it's almost like a little hook in. That's his thumb. Yeah, almost like a little hook. Then let's do his clenched fingers. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and around. Same here. From the thumb area there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and around. Then we can draw the rest of his hand here, so just join it up to the glove, and here, join it up to there. Cool, okay. Right. Let's do the rest of his suit first of all. So with the suit area, he's got a bit of a badge here, where we've just done this line. So let's continue that, 2 lines out here. Then diamond sort of shape, going in, tapering down. Line there. Let's just put a circle in here. Okay, put a bit of detail on these shoulder areas. So what we can do, just do a little bit of line in, sort of fill that in. You can do a couple of lines in there just to show off the detail. Okay. Now this part here sort of comes out and in again. So I'm going to do a line there and a line diagonal there. Then we're going to bring it in. So bring it in like that here. Let's do the same there. Then it tapers out again off his suit. So go down and out, and then down and out. Okay. This then comes back in here and here, so 2 little lines. A couple of lines down, curve around and up. Okay. Now this joins up here, so I'm going to do a line down here to the end, and a line down here to the end. Let's join that up there, join that up there. Then this also comes out again in this suit, so I'm going to do a line out, down, and a line out and down. Let's just put some additional lines in now, just to show a bit of detail off. So, just going to match up that line there to the end, match up that line there to the end. Do another line in here and up, another line in here and up. And let's just follow this one along here where we've done it already. So around and down, same here, round, down, out. And this bottom one here, let's go a bit further down. Just follow that line that we've already made around, out. This little badge here, we can just do a couple of little curves, a couple of circles there. It's also got a couple of circles, one here, and there's one here, one here. Then he's got a panel with 07 on, so do a line down, out, out. Just do a little arrowhead, and we can put 07 in, so 07, go in there. 2 more circles here, and here we can just do a curve around, like that with a circle in. Let's do the same on the other side. We can curve around, a little circle there. Nice, okay. With his trousers of the suit, we can just go from these areas here and work all the way down to there. From this area down to here. sort of comes out for like a little knee pad sort of area. So out, diagonal out, down, down, and then we can just join those up there. And we can just add that detail in again. Just follow the line, just to make it look a bit like a technical suit. Around like that. Okay. Just below his, or just above his elbow, we can just put a couple of lines in. Like that. Let's have a look at the shoes. So I'm going to put a curve in here, just adding the detail really. And then it's got little technical bits at the back. And then a couple of straps. So just put a couple of strap areas on here and here. Right, okay. Now with his gloves, there's lots of energy coming off. So I'm going to do like a flame of energy coming out here. So I'm going to do a circle around and flare out at the end. Let's do the same here. Circle out, flare around. And then let's do some little flames. Just curve it all up and around. Whatever you like here, just to show the energy coming off. To enhance this, what I'll do is just do a couple of little flames inside, like that. He's also got some cube elements coming off with the energy, so I'm going to do some squares like that. Coming off, that's cool, maybe a couple here. Great. Let's do his head as well, so he's got like the energy coming off his head too. So again, we're going to do a little flame area, so just curve up and around. That's all we need to do, then just a little one underneath and a few little cube areas there. Right, let's look at his face. So let's pop his nose in the centre there. It's quite a straight nose in the middle. It's quite serious looking, so I'm just going to do his lips up, straight line and down. Just do an underside of his lip. Yeah, that's good. Right here is the bridge of his nose, so I'm just going to do 2 lines down like that. And he's got quite chunky eyebrows, so I'm just going to do a diagonal, fill that in. And the same on this side. And then we can just do the point of the eyebrow as well there. Now he's got these blue eyes, so I'm just going to draw 2 curves together to show the eyes off there. Next, he's got markings on his face, so I'm just going to do around by his cheek, up, and then down and up. Same on this side. Down, up, and up, like that. He's also got some sort of more technical bits on his face as well. Let's just do a couple here. So one there, one there. And in the centre here, it's got like a blue light as well. So I'm just going to do a circle and I'm just going to do a line joining that up there and there. It's also got some markings on his head, so I'm just going to do one lot just to line up around to the top of his head from his eyebrow. Right, great, okay. Right, let's get the orange now. A nice orange pen. And fill in the lighter orange parts of his suit. Okay, those are the main orange bits. Let's get a darker orange. Just fill around there. All the other elements around him we can do now. Fill in these areas here. Okay, let's get a nice light blue for his face and his arms. So let's fill these bits in here. Just going to leave a little bit of light on the edge of his skin to show the light sort of shining off it. So I'm just going to go around here. That's it. Can use this blue as well to fill in the other blue areas of his suit. So he's got blue points around here. Let's just fill these in. That's it. Okay. Next we're going to get a grey colour. Let's fill in some of the area just around his suit here. So let's fill this in, sort of a grey-blue colour. And then let's do his gloves as well. Fill that in, and this one. Nice, let's do the shoe areas. So fill those in. He's got some bits of orange on his shoes. So what I might do is just leave a few bits just around where his shoes do up. And just put in some extra orange bits just around here, just to give it a bit of detail. Just on the back here maybe. That's it. Okay. Right, for the energy coming out of him, start with a bit of a yellow colour. Just do some of the points here in the middle of his hand, sort of showing the flame off. Just colour a few of those in. Next, let's get a purple, and we can fill in a lot more around here. However we like, really, that's great. Just show the energy coming off. Fill in those cubes. Same here, just filling around here. Just do the top of his head as well. Just around there, fill in a couple of those cubes. Alright, nice. What I might do as well is just fill in this area. Just use the darker colour, purple for there. The darker purple, just to accentuate a bit of the energy here. So just do a few little circles around. Top of here as well. Okay, that's good. Right, just a couple more things. One, just get the grey again, just fill in just in here. It's like a grey blue. I'm just going to fill in his eyes like that and just fill in these areas here as well. Put them on a cool background, so just put a line right along the bottom here just to ground him. And maybe let's use that cool purple colour. Just to put a background behind him. Yeah, just to accentuate all that purple going on in the picture. Cool, and that is the origin. Or an art draw. Thanks for watching.